Hi everyone, it's Bob and Fran, and today we want to share with you some startling figures that we recently learned about chronic disease in the United States. Chronic diseases are heart disease, cancer, diabetes, stroke, and Alzheimer's. These are the leading causes of death and disability in the United States. Just listen to these figures.
6 in 10 Americans have a chronic disease. That means 6 in 10 Americans have heart disease, cancer, diabetes, stroke, and so on. 6 in 10 is hard to believe, but even more hard to believe is that 4 in 10 Americans have 2 or more chronic diseases.
38% of Americans will be diagnosed with cancer during their lifetimes.
And half of all Americans have some sort of cardiovascular disease.
1 in 3 Americans have prediabetes.
That amounts to 88 million people who have prediabetes, and 90% of them don't even know it.
34 million people live with type 2 diabetes.
So diabetes is rampant. It's seemingly epidemic when 1 in 3 Americans have this prediabetes disposition.
Now listen to this one. 72% of Americans are overweight or obese. 36 million men and 29 million women are overweight. 32 million men and 36 million women are obese.
So the statistics that we have gotten come from the Center for Disease Control, the National Center for Health Statistics, the National Diabetes Statistic Report, the World Health Organization, and the National Institute of Health. Those folks came up with these facts and figures based on their research and their studies.
So you're wondering, what is the cause of all this? Well, in case you didn't know, the number one cause is poor diet. The second cause, sedentary behavior, not moving enough, not getting out and exercising. And the third is smoking. So, how can you prevent this?
Well, 80% of heart disease and stroke, 80% of type 2 diabetes, and 40% of cancers can be prevented.
So there is a solution to restoring our health, and here's what can be done.
There are 6 action steps that seem to be the way to restore health. And the first one is to eat a whole food, plant-predominant diet.
The second one is to get at least 150 minutes a week of moderate exercise.
That's not really a lot.
Nope.
That's 150 minutes every week.
Right.
The third would be to get about 8 hours of restful sleep.
Each night.
Yes, each night.
And the fourth one would be to have a daily relaxation time to help lower stress.
Right. This could be a quiet time, meditation, or just quiet sitting with no electronics to clear your mind and make you relax.
The fifth would be to not smoke.
That's pretty self-explanatory.
Right.
And the sixth one would be to connect with positive people on a regular basis. These would be people who choose wellness over illness.
So we hope that you've learned something from this short video and that you will share it with friends and family who may need to know these statistics and solutions.
And we look forward to seeing you again very soon. Thanks for coming.